ਹੈਲੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਆ, ਸੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਸਕਿਪ ਕੀਤੇ ਐਂਡ ਤੱਕ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੇਖਿਓ। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਯੂਜ਼ਫੁਲ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਲੱਭੇ ਆ ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਦੇ। ਠੀਕ ਆ, ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰ ਲਓਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੱਕਾ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਆ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ 7+ ਬੈਂਡ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਲੈ ਸਕੋਗੇ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਆ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਆਈਲੈਟਸ ਕੋਚਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹ ਰਹੀਆਂ, ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਹੋਇਆ ਪਿਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਟਾਸਕ ਕਰੋ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ। ਸੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਯੂਜ਼ਫੁਲ ਆ। ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫੋਰਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੀ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਅੱਛੀ ਲੱਗੀ, ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ, ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਿਓ, ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਿਓ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਸਰਕਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਿਓ। ਸੋ ਚਲੋ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਟਾਸਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਸੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਜਨਰਲ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ਼ਿਪ, ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ, ਇੱਦਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਬੇਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ। ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜਨਰਲ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੇਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ। ਸੋ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਕੁਛ ਮੇਨ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਆ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮੇਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਸੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਇਹ ਐਸੇ ਆਰਟਸ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਐਂਡ ਮਨੀ ਨਾਲ, ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਂਡ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ, ਕ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਐਂਡ ਪਨਿਸ਼ਮੈਂਟ ਨਾਲ, ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ, ਇਨਵਾਇਰਮੈਂਟ, ਫੈਮਲੀ ਐਂਡ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ, ਫੂਡ ਐਂਡ ਡਾਈਟ, ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ, ਹੈਲਥ, ਹਾਊਸਿੰਗ, language layer, media and advertising, reading, society, space exploration, sports, technology, tourism, transportation and work। ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਕੀਤੀ ਵੀ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਸੇ ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਟੌਪਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਐਸੇਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਆਰਟ ਦੇ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਦੀ। ਆਰਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਆ, ਆਰਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਐਜ਼ ਐਨ essential part of all culture throughout the world. However, these days fewer and fewer people appreciate art and turn their to science, technology and business. Why do you think that? What you can be done to encourage more people to take interest in art? Some people think that art is essential subject for children at the school, while others think it is waste of time. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? Next है जी, arts needed a certain amount of freedom to develop their creativity. Some people think that artists should have total freedom to express any thoughts and idea. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Most artists earn low salaries and should therefore receive funding from government in order for them to continue with their work. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next ਆਪਾਂ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ। ਐਸੇ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਡਿਊ ਟੂ ਦ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਐਂਡ ਰੈਪਿਡ ਐਕਸਪੈਂਸ਼ਨ of supermarket in some countries, many local and small business are unable to compete. Some people think that the closure of local business will bring about the death of local community. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next one is companies should provide sports and social facilities for local communities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Large businesses have a big budget for marketing and promotion, and as a result people gravitate toward buying their product. What problem does this cause? What could be done to encourage local people to buy local product? Next, communication and related topic. With the development of online communication, people will never be alone and will always be able to make new friends. To what extent do you agree? Next one is communication through text messaging and other instant form of online communication are short and basic. Some people think this will be death of grammar and spelling. Do you agree or disagree? Topic related with personality. Some people think that intelligence is innate while others think that we can improve our intelligence through learning. Discuss both sides, give your opinion. Next one is our personalities are predetermined as a result of our genes before we are born, and there is nothing can be done to alter our character traits. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Crime. The crime rate nowadays is decreasing compared to the past due to advanced technology which can prevent and solve crime. Do you agree or disagree? Many criminals commit further crimes as soon as they release from prison. What do you think are the cause of this? What possible solution can you suggest? Some countries are struggling with an increase in the rate of crime. Many people think that having more police on the streets is the only way of reduce crime. To what extent do you agree? Some people think that women should not allowed to work in the police force. Do you agree or disagree? Education topic now related essay. The government should allocate more funding to teaching science rather than other subjects in order for country to develop and progress. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Discipline is an ever increasing problem in modern school. People think that discipline should be responsibility of teacher, while others think that is the role of parents. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. The role of education is to prepare children for modern world. School should cut art and music out of curriculum so that children can focus on useful subjects such as information technology. To what extent do you agree? Next one is someone parents believe that their children should do education activities during the free time. Others says that in this way children are under pressure. Discuss both view and give your opinion. Some people think the best way to solve global environment problem is to increase the cost of fuel. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people think an international car-free day is an effective way to reduce air pollution. Others think there are more effective ways to do this. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Global warming is one of the biggest threats to our environment. What cause global warming? What solutions are there to this problem? Both governments and individuals are spending vast amount of money protecting animals and their habitats. Their money could be better spent dealing with fundamental issue or to society. Next one is poverty and healthcare. Parents to what extent do you agree? Too much pressure on their children to succeed. What the reason for doing this? Is this a negative or positive development? Next one is some people think it is better for children to grow up in a city while others think the life in a countryside is more suitable. What are the advantages and disadvantages of both places? With the fast pace of modern life, more and more people are turning toward fast food for their main meals. Do you think the advantages outweighed with advantages? An increasing number of people eating fast food, which is eating too roughly, can cause health issue. Some people think that the only solution is to ban it completely. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Government has responsibility to its citizens to ensure their safety. Therefore, some people think that the government should increase spending on defense but spend less on social benefit. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next one is some people think that government is responsible for rise in obesity in children while others think it is the fault of parents. Discuss both views and give your opinion. The government should lower the budget on the arts in order to allocate more money on education. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people think that government can make significant change in society while others think that individual can have a lot of influence. What is your opinion? Many people find it hard to balance their work with other part of their lives. What are the reasons for this? How can you solve? How can this problem can be overcome? Doctor, nurses, and teachers make a great combination to society. Should be paid more than entertainment and sports celebrities. Do you agree or disagree? These are our essay. If you like this video, then don't forget to like this video. If you need sample answer, you can comment in comment box. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video.